Page 103, A Scale Etude. That's a scale, it's not a scale. We're not talking about any scale. We're talking about the A major scale. So it's A Scale Etude. Yeah. I already know the A major scale, I hope. So this really, the only challenge here would be the rhythm. So look it over. It's 2 lines long, treble, bass, clef, 3 sharps in the key signature. We're in the key of A major. Make sure you're doing the A major scale. Because when you run across it in pieces like this, and you will, it makes it so much, you just play it. And you play it well. Because if you don't know it, you think, well, I'll just learn it here. You'll struggle learning it, and it never will be smooth and like it should be. Been there, done that. I tried that approach. It does not work. 4/4 time signature. And we got 16th notes going crazy. So let's talk about it. Right hand. 1E and a 2, or whatever method you use to count them. That's what 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4. Hey, 1E and a 2. So at the beginning, it's an 8th note. 1E and. 1 and. The 8th note gets half a count. 1E and a 2E and a. That's all it is. 1E and a 2E. 1E and a. Now you're down here. 1E and a. 1E and a 2E and. Okay, and then the last measure. 1E and a 1. This is the fingering for the A major scale. Left hand, we'll start here. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Because the quarter note comes on beat 4, so it's and 4. And then the 5/7 chord, 2. And then A major scale, 1E and and then back down to 5/7 chord. And put the hands together. You're starting out okay. 1E and 2E and 3 and 4 and 1. 1E and 2E and 3 and 4 and 1. Now just real slowly and carefully. Maybe I'm going a little fast. Slow it down. 1E and 1E and just make sure that comes on the and of 1. 1 and 1E and 2E and 3. Like so. So you work out the rhythm. Eventually you just feel it. And what I don't want you to do, I hope, please, is just play it for me. Let me hear it. Because then all you do is copy me. You learn nothing. I need you to be able to read the music and figure it out on your own and have the confidence that you've done it correctly. That's what I'm after. But as I said, once you've figured it out, then you just feel it. 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and. Like so. Then I add the articulation. We have slurs. Just real short, hands at the wrist. On the key and I'm bouncing off. This is second measure. That's staccato on the left hand. The last notes are not staccato. You hold those out. Now once you have the articulation under control, we'll think about the dynamics, which here, they just give you one to give you an idea. You can play it at all the dynamics. Play it really, really super soft. Just play it really soft, and then at each level, up to get experience at it. Speed, there's no speed, it's up to you. What can you handle on these 8th notes, or these 16th notes? They have to be even. Remember the natural accents? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Put them in. Exaggerate them if you need to. 1, 2. Now when you're splitting up notes like this, or splitting up beats, because there's 4 notes in a beat, 1E and 2, we're playing a lot of notes here. Each beat sort of gets a natural accent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1 and 2, 3, 4. I'm giving each beat a natural accent. So as you speed it up, then you may change it to every other beat or whatever. It depends on how fast you're going. But you want to feel these. It helps to keep these runs even and under control. You don't have to go that fast. Slow it down. That's too fast. Slow it down some more. You decide. It needs to be even and accurate, though, under control. If it's just bleh, slow it down. It's way too fast. Let's play it together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. Now, because we have so many 16th notes, I'm going to put the metronome to beat 8th notes. So it's beating 8th notes, but I'll give us 4 quarter notes to come in. 1 and 2 and 3 and go, and 1